Hello ladies, in both practices I just wanted to make a quick instructional video on making a custom protocol because I'm going to be asking you to do that with certain patients. So here's our Synapse program, which you're all very well familiar with. And to make a custom program, you're still going to choose whether it's single channel or dual channel. In this case, it's going to be dual channel, all right? And the way you select custom protocol is just by going to the protocols and channels, protocols for channels over here that you usually go to. But instead of checking a number, you're going to go all the way down to the end where it says create custom protocol, okay? So you click on that and I will give you the values as to where to go and what to set. Now in this particular instance, we are going to go to a place called F7 and F8, which none of you have really worked on yet. F7, F8. And it is on the chart. Let me show you where that is. Now we're all familiar with F3 and F4, correct? F7 and F8 is just a little bit further and anterior to those two areas. So if I were to show you on top of the head, F3 and F4 would be here, and then F7 would be right about here on the forehead, and F8 would be onto the side over here. Okay, so those are new areas to work. And that would be, I mean, obviously we could work any areas we want to. I just wanted to introduce those two new areas to you because it does give you the choices of all the areas to work. But I just checked that just to include that education in there as well. Now, when you form a custom protocol, you have to choose the threshold, all right? And you go to add custom threshold, which is there. And it says, whoops, sorry about that. It says select one. And in this instance, we're going to go SMR up and theta down in both instances, in both areas. So you would select SMR is the same thing as low beta. Regular beta is regular beta here, and high beta is high beta. But low beta is also called SMR, which you're all familiar with because we've worked there several times, especially with single channel. So we're going to check SMR is low beta, that's Hertz 12 to 15. And you're going to choose the up arrow. So that's SMR up. And then the next is going to be theta down. You're familiar with those. You've heard those terms before. So we choose theta. All right, it gives you, theta is, Hertz is from 4 to 7. It's a slow wave. And we choose down for that. You can't have both going up. So SMR up, or low beta up, and theta down. Now we go over to that was F7, we go over to F8, and we do the same thing. And again, this is everything I'm going to be instructing you to do. In this instance, it's going to be SMR, low beta up. And we make sure that's up, that's good. The next one is theta. We choose theta, it already gives you the Hertz, just to make sure that that's down, okay? And then we start our program the same way we do as after we get that volume up to where it needs to be, all right, over 90, between 90 and 95, and then we just start the program as usual. And we're ready to go, okay? And that's how you do a custom protocol.